I think these are super cute. These are for people who are fashion forward. You're not afraid to try fashion. My name is Kharyzma and my channel is Kharyzma for You, and I do videos on fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and a little bit of everything else. So in today's video I have for you a sneaker unboxing and a try on. This company reached out to me called Xheyday, and here is my box of sneakers. I was so excited because when they reached out to me and they showed me the pictures of their products, I was just like, oh my goodness, like they needed someone who was like fashion forward, someone not afraid to take risks and everything like that when it comes to fashion. So that's right up my alley. So okay, so let's get into it. This is the box that it came in, a nice brown box which says the name right there very lightly. Now their name has an X in front of it. It says Xheyday, but I don't think you pronounce the X. I think it's just Xheyday. And I got them in a size 37 European, which is 7.5 women according to their size chart. So I was so excited. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's open these up. So inside they have the paper packaging with their logo written all over it. And you guys, look, purple. These are the sneakers. So there's some chunky sneakers in the color purple. I don't have any purple sneakers, so I'm just super excited. So as you see on the tongue of the sneaker, it's a logo with a heart and a sun around it. And there are thick laces, and this is a canvas sneaker, and now the trim around it is just a white wave, like a thick white wave. And then in the front there's like a logo there. I don't know if you can see that. My light, yeah, that's the logo there in the front. And then underneath, as you can see, the logo is here as well. And then these designs here is really thick. It's just such a thick, chunky sneaker. And then on the side in gray, it has Xheyday written right there. So it's so cute. So this is what it looks like inside. Inside there's like a thick insole. I don't even want to take it out, but it provides like lots and lots of cushion. It's really soft. And these are the chunky laces. And yeah, that's it. I think these are super cute. These are for people who are fashion forward. You're not afraid to try fashion. And you guys know I have an Instagram, Kharyzma for You Style. Check it out. And I showcase all the different fashion that I wear: dresses, outfits, shoes, all types of shoes, coats, bags, everything is on there. So if you're into fashion, definitely check out my Instagram. It's growing, and I would appreciate it if you would follow so we could get those numbers up. So this is what the sneaker is looking like. They do come in different colors. I believe I saw black, I saw pink, I saw yellow, and they have so much more colors as well. But I wasn't sure if they're sizing, so they sent me this size first to try out. Wasn't sure if they were running big, true to size, and I believe they're true to size. So true to size, maybe a little bit big, I would say, but these fit me well. They're true to size. I wear anywhere from a 7 to 7.5 in sneakers, and these said 7.5, so I guess they're true to size. So now, since I know my size, I can get other colors as well. It also says on the back of it, Xheyday, right there on the sole. So let's try these on. I am gonna style these for you today because I have an outfit that is perfect, and I'm not gonna say too much about it. I'm just gonna show you. So let's style these. So this is my outfit, a purple tennis dress. I'll do a separate try on of this dress, but this video is about the sneakers. So this is what they're looking like on my feet. Super cute. I laced them all the way to the top. As you can see, the logo is right there. They're purple canvas. This is what it's looking like on the side. You see that cool wave effect on the side. That is super, super cute. So it's purple, white, and then a little bit of gray on the bottom. And I put on some gray socks to match this purple tennis dress. And guess what? I did my nails specifically this color in lavender because I knew I was gonna be doing this haul. So everything is a purple in the video. So this is a top view of the sneakers, and as you can see, that heart, pink heart logo, which is right there, the heart in the middle of the sun. And here's the sides again. There's the Xheyday logo right there. Other side, super, super cute. Look at that. You guys, these sneakers are so cool. Like, these are sort of like platforms because the soles are really, really high, but they're really, really comfortable and soft. So when you walk in them, they're really, really comfortable and soft. They don't look as chunky. They don't look too chunky. They are chunky, but it's not like a OD type of chunky. Like, they're really, really cute. The chunkiness to them makes them stand out. That's the good thing about being fashion forward, because you are bold enough to wear what you don't see other people wearing, whether it's a color or it's a style. And yeah, this is definitely me. Unique, different. Don't forget about the purple nails. Let me give you the view. Super, super cute. Love it, guys. Gotta love it. So yeah, that was the look of the sneakers. One final look. Just wanted you to know, for those of you who need a little extra height, they definitely got you on the height. It will look so super, super cute. I love them. Let me know your thoughts on these. I think they are really cute. Did you like how I matched my nails to the dress, to the sneakers? Okay, I knew I was gonna be doing this haul, so when I got my nails done, I was like, I'm gonna get lavender, and I got the same color for my toes, so this was so perfect. I love the way it came out. Guys, if you're not subscribed to the channel, be sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you can receive all of my uploads. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at Kharyzma4U and at Kharyzma4U and check out my website, Kharyzma4U.com, for popping lip gloss. This is my Princess Pink lip gloss. Look at that. Look at that. I put a little too much. Poppin' lip gloss, guys. Kharyzma4U.com. And I will leave the information for these sneakers in the description. These are super, super cool, super, super cute for fashion forward, bold fashionistas who are not afraid to try new things. They have different colors, so be sure to check out that website. And all the information will be in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all.